In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add charts and graphs to Wix. To begin, open your Wix editor and load the site page where you want the chart or graph to appear. Make sure you are in the editing view because this is where you can add new elements, adjust placement, and control how the chart fits into your page design. Charts and graphs are usually added to Wix by embedding HTML code from another tool, so it helps to already have your chart code ready before you start. Once your page is open, look at the left side menu inside the Wix editor. Click the plus button, which is the Add Elements button. This menu is where Wix keeps the main building blocks for your site, including text, images, buttons, sections, and embedded content. Since a chart from an outside tool is not a standard Wix element, you will need to use the Embed option. In the Add Elements menu, select Embed Code. This area is designed for adding outside content into your Wix page. It allows you to display items that are hosted or generated somewhere else, while still showing them directly on your website. After you select Embed Code, choose Embed HTML. This creates a box on your page where custom HTML content can be placed. After the embed box appears, click Enter Code. A code window will open, and this is where you will paste the embed code for your chart or graph. The code may come from tools such as Google Charts, Data Wrapper, or Flourish. These tools usually provide an embed option after you create or publish your chart. Make sure you are copying the embed code itself rather than a regular page link, because Wix needs the HTML embed code to display the chart correctly. Paste the chart or graph embed code into the code field. Before moving on, take a moment to make sure the code is complete and has not been cut off while copying. If the embed code is incomplete, the chart may not load properly or may appear blank. Once the code is in place, click Update. Wix will apply the code to the HTML embed box and attempt to display your chart inside the editor. Next, adjust the size of the embed box so your chart fits neatly on the page. Click and drag the edges of the box to resize it. If the chart is too small, increase the width or height. If there is too much empty space around it, reduce the size until it looks cleaner. Try to align it with the rest of your page layout so it feels like part of the design, not an item placed randomly. When the chart looks good, save your changes. After saving, publish the site so the chart or graph becomes visible on the live version of your Wix website. Publishing is important because changes made in the editor will not appear publicly until they are published. That covers everything you need to know. You can now add charts and graphs to Wix using an HTML embed code. Resize them to fit your layout and publish them on your site.